Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add new transactions to the Accountit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, as you scroll down, you are going to find the account section, and as you tap on it, you can add the new transaction to your account. So tap on new transaction. Here you should type in the amount, then type in the title of your transaction, add your notes to it. As you scroll down, you can select the type, such as expense, income, or transfer. Here you can tap on or select from two options, such as incoming or outgoing. As you go back, you can also select the status, such as cleared or pending. You can also indicate whether it's a tax, there is a tax or not included or excluded. You can also select the date on this calendar, the recurrence. Here you have a bunch of options. Also the account can be chosen, and the category, tags, and it can be pinned by tapping on this button, and you can add your attachments to it too. If you are done with all these steps, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your new transaction to your account. Here you can find it, feel free to edit it anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.